In today's video, I'm going to teach you setting up Python in PyCharm. We'll go from downloading Python to configuring your interpreter, installing packages, and confirming everything works smoothly, all inside PyCharm. First, head to the official Python downloads page and grab the latest stable release for your operating system. Choose the installer that matches your machine, run it, and complete the setup. On Windows, make sure you check the box to add Python to your path before clicking install. This prevents command line issues later. When the installer finishes, you can quickly confirm it worked by opening a terminal or command prompt and running Python version or pychrm. If you see a version number, you're set to move on. Whether you're opening an existing project or starting a new one, you'll need to configure the Python interpreter in PyCharm. Interpreters are what actually run your code, and in PyCharm, they're set per project, so each project can have its own isolated environment. For an existing project, you can always find this under Settings or Preferences, then Project, then Python Interpreter. To create a fresh project, open PyCharm and click New Project. Pick a location and a clear project name. In the same window, look for the Python Interpreter section. This is where you decide which environment your project will use. Here you can create a new environment using virtualenv or select a previously configured interpreter. A new virtual environment is the recommended default because it keeps your dependencies isolated from the rest of your system. Choose where to store it, often inside the project folder is convenient, and confirm the base interpreter points to the Python you just installed. If you prefer to use a global Python that's already on your machine, choose the previously configured interpreter and browse to it. Once you've made your choice, click Create. PyCharm will set up the environment, index your files, and prepare the workspace. Give it a moment. You'll see progress indicators at the bottom as it completes the setup. With the interpreter ready, you can add libraries such as NumPy or Pandas. You can use the Python packages tool window to search and install, or use the built-in terminal for a quick command line approach. Open the terminal at the bottom of PyCharm and run pip install followed by the package name, for example, pip install numpypandas. Because you're inside the project, pip installs into the selected interpreter automatically. Finally, verify the setup, create a new Python file, print a quick message, import a library you installed, and run the file using the Run button. If it executes without errors and your imports resolve, your environment is good to go. You've successfully set up Python in PyCharm.